what's your name and where do you come from?
I'm Orphil. I'm having a haircut made by best barber and I'm from Philippines.
Okay, are you ready for your new haircut?
Yes, American.
Okay,
Soldier.
American soldier, American military faded. Okay.
Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back with Chris Joker channel, the only one and just only one that provides hairdressing model more than 50 nationality from all over the world. Now on this video I will show you how to cut military soldiers haircut style with completely faded. First we use clipper comb number 2 from the top area, and then we cut completely off with 0 size for the side and back, and then we cut the between top and side with clipper combs number 1 in purpose to blend and fade the side and top section. The most important of this faded technique is the connection between the long hair to short hair. Now you start to see the hair start to be really blended. 2 with the clipper size 0 to blend completely from the shortest hair to the longest. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please feel free to subscribe. Hope you enjoy watching this video. Please say in the video, how do you like your haircut?
Very nice. 2 thumbs up.
Yeah, together. 1, 2, 3. Snip, snaps. Thank you. Can I put this video to your channel?